What's going on, guys? Scott here from Horizon Bound, and today I've got a mod for you that is completely free. As long as you have a 2020 or newer TRD, Tacoma, Tundra, RAV4, 4Runner, whatever, as long as it's 2020 or newer TRD with the advanced tech package. I know that kind of narrows it down, not everyone has that, but if you've got all three of those, 2020 or newer, TRD, and advanced tech package, you can do this mod, and it's free. So in this mod, I'm gonna be changing the color of my truck to match the actual color of my truck. I don't know if anyone out there has a voodoo blue or a red truck, but when they look at their screen, it's white. Well, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change that, and it's really simple. So the first thing you need to do is turn on your car. Once you get to the main screen, this home screen right here, you're going to hold the audio button while flipping your headlights from auto to on 3 times. So 1, 2, 3. When you let go, it will bring up the screen. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Hold audio, 1, 2, 3. It brings up the service menu with these options: failure diagnostics, function check settings, service information, product information. So we're gonna go click on function check settings. We got more options right here. If we click on camera settings, we got view adjustment, steering angle setting, or body color setting. Click on body color setting. You got white, gray, black, red, beige, green, and blue. So if you've got a Tacoma that is green, red, any of these colors, you can change it. Now I got quicksand. Guess the real name's beige. Sorry, guys. Boom. Look at that bad boy. It was white, now it is quicksand or beige. How badass is that? So to save it, all you gotta do is hit OK, turn off the truck, let's turn it back on. When it comes back to the home screen, my truck is no longer white, but it is quicksand. Let's hit continue. So we're back. Okay, please select OK to complete the service mode. Okay, we're back on our home screen. I click my view. Look at that, guys. It is quicksand now. How sick is that? Completely free. All you gotta do is hop into some settings and you're good to go. If you guys like this video and want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that like if you thought this was a cool video. I'll see you out on the horizon. Later, guys.